Oh, wave here, boys. Wave. Wave to mommy, boys. Elijah. Wave your hand up. Galing. Wow, galing-galing. Galing na ni Kuya Elijah mag-swim. You know how to use the rope na? O sige nga, going to daddy, use the rope. You pull it like itowi. Diba? Yung obstacle nila, pulling the rope. O go, go, go. O pulling the rope nga, going to dad. Yan. O yan, pull the rope going to you. Yan, and then another hand. There. O make your hand move like a ladder. Okay, race. Galing ni Elijah, pull the rope going to you. Going here kay mom. Yan, ganyan.